Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO Star Wars set 75125, and it's the Resistance X-Wing Fighter from 2016 to 2017. As you can see, at the back of the box you get a collector's guide to show all the different sets in this collection. And unfortunately I don't have complete collections, and I missed out on the first series. As you can see, the X-Wing has the wings down as if it landed, and when the wings go up like that, then it looks like it's going to take off and fly. And as you can see, there's these beautiful pink lights on, and the weapons, and the pilot has his weapon. And take the helmet off, the visor comes with, it's part of the helmet. And at the back of the X-Wing fighter you see the beautiful boosters and the back of the weapons. And this set is the Resistance X-Wing Fighter from 2016 to 2017. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in 2023. Thank you. Bye.